Student, today we solve problem set 31. Before going to solve this set, we understand the concept of circumference of the circle and arc of a circle. First, the circumference of a circle. Now, to understand this concept, we can do one practical here. Take a bowl with a circular edge. Now, I take this bowl and the edge of this bowl is circular. Wind a string and around the bowl and make a full circle around it. We have to wound string around the bowl and then measure the length of this string. See, I can wound string around this bowl. See, in this way. Then unwind straighten it out and measure the length of this. Then I can measure the length by using the scale. The length of this circular edge is 30 centimeter. See, means this is called the circumference of the circle. Now, if this is a bangle and the circumference of this circle is this, understand what is mean by circumference of circle? If we take the cap of pen and this is a circumference of circle. Now, an arc of a circle. What is mean by arc of a circle? Now, this is circular object and I cut this object into two here, A and B at this point. Then this separate part is called arc. Arc AB and arc AB. There are two arcs. To understand which part I can tell about the part, then I can write here points on this arc S and P. Then we can call this arc ASB and this arc APB. Each of this part is an arc of circle. Understood the concept of arc? Now we solve problem set. Question 1. In the figure given, alongside points S, L, M, N are on the circle. Answer the questions with the help of diagram. Now we have given figure, this figure, and S, L, M, N are on the circle. We have to answer the given question. First question. Write the names of the arc with the end point S and M. We have to write the names of the arc with end point S and M. These are two end points and we have to write down the names of arc. Then names of the arc is arc S, L, M. This is one arc and second, and arc S and M. Understood? Name of the arc. Now second question. Write the name of the arc with end points L and N. Now we have to write down the arcs with end point L and N. These are two end points. Therefore, name of the arcs LMN and LSN. These are name. Arc L, M, end and arc L, S, N. These are two arcs with endpoint L and N. Now question 2. Write the name of the arc that point A, B, C and D in the given circle rise to. Means we have given figure and the points on the arc are A, B, C, D. And we have to write the names of the arc with end points. We first take A and C end points, these two. Then we make arc ABC and arc ADC. Now we make another end points B and D. These are two end points. Then arc DAB, and arc DCB. These are two arcs if we endpoints D and B. Now question number 3. Give the names of the arcs that are made by points P, Q, R, S and T in the figure. Now we have to write down the names of the arc with the endpoints P, Q, R, S and T. Now first arc with endpoint P and R. We first make these two are endpoints P and R. Then the name of the arc is PQR, and arc PTR or PSR. We can take anyone from these 2 points. We can take anyone, PTR. Now question arc with endpoints Q and S. First we take PR and R. Now take Q and S. These are two endpoints, Q and S. Then arc QRS and arc QTS. Now third arc with endpoints P and S. Now in this time we take P and S are endpoints. Then arc PTS and arc PQS. Now arc with endpoints Q and T. Now Q and T, these are endpoints. The name of the arc QPT and arc QRT or QST. Now fifth arc with endpoints R and T. Now these two are endpoints R and T. Then name of the arc RST and arc RQT. Understood? Okay, thank you for watching the video.